StarCraft Roman II, Wings of Liberty. World of Tanks. Friday the 13th, the game. Halo 4. Age of Empires Roman II, the Age of Kings. Star Wars Battlefront. Battlefield 2. StarCraft Roman II, Heart of the Swarm. Dota 2. Halo Reach. Star Wars Battlefront. Warframe. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Counter-Strike. Star Wars The Old Republic. Club Penguin. Terraria. Civilization V. Call of Duty Black Ops Roman 3. Roblox. Call of Duty WWII. Path of Exile. Halo Combat Evolved. Halo 3. Final Fantasy Roman 14. Hearthstone Heroes of Warcraft. Red Dead Redemption. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. RuneScape. Halo 2. Team Fortress 2. Fortnite. Battlefield 1. Diablo Roman 2. The Elder Scrolls Online. Battlefield 4. Call of Duty Black Ops Roman 2. Destiny. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Playerunknown's Battleground. Battlefield 3. Diablo Roman 3. League of Legends. Rocket League. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Overwatch. World of Warcraft, Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto V.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.